Welcome back to Mumford Restoration. Again, we're showing you things that have come into the shop for our next projects. Please go to our site, mumfordrestoration.com, and take a look at some of the things we've done on our YouTube channel and bring something to us that we could restore for you. So today we have a Swan sofa. It's the Empire style. You can see how it's rolled back, and it has flame or crotch mahogany that's on the back that's been carefully veneered. So it's a substrate of pine veneered with beautiful crotch mahogany. It has a lot of detail in the Swan. You see how it has a different kind of a nose here and then the tail. And so a lot of them have said, oh, well, it's a gooseneck rocker, but this one has more detail than most of the gooseneck. I would say that this piece is 1795 to 1805. It has the springs, the horsehair, and the original velvet. It may have been upholstered, of course, sometime in its lifetime. So we're going to be taking out all the webbing, all the stuffing, all the springs, and a complete reupholstery. And I believe we're going to be restoring the wood as well. So this is going to be quite a beautiful result. I hope that what they've chosen is going to be a traditional velvet again, so that it shows, you know, that age, and we don't try to modernize it too much. So this is a very traditional, not that comfortable of a sofa to sit in, but boy, beautiful to look at. Thanks for watching.